What's up, YouTube? Just at work here, getting ready to leave. Just wanted to show you a toolbox that I just got. It's a Matco 6S with a hutch and a side locker. Bought it used. Also have my cart right there. It's pretty nice. Give you a little tour of it. Some miscellaneous parts. Mainly washers and extra brake line stuff. This is my bolt bin and hose clamps and stuff. And I got some test lights and plugs. That's all my paperwork. And got my hutch. Just put everything in here today. So I'm still getting it organized. That's the design for my business that I'll be opening. My girlfriend designed that. And got some extra ratchets, extra sockets. These are straight through sockets. They're pretty nice. Don't really use them, but they come in handy. Got a couple torque wrenches, old style. And I got the bid stuff for and here's my wrench drawer. It has nothing in it except for a 19mm. It's my electrical drawer. I have test leads, power probe, torch, voltmeter. Nothing in that drawer. Just got a jigsaw, drill, air hose, hat saw. Bit drivers, nut drivers, everything. Screwdrivers that I don't use a lot. It's my oh shit drawer. Got some Harbor Freight strip bolt removers, stud pullers, and this is a thread tracer set. Nothing in that one. Got my speakers up top and coffee maker. Well, that's it. I'll show you my cart tomorrow.